Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. I'll still put tech every now and then. And for this episode, I want to share with you guys the latest giveaway that we have featuring champion caps and Rastaclat off-white, as well as announce the winner for our giveaway for the Solar Glide and the Adidas Continental 80. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are announcing a new giveaway today. We're giving away like new stuff. And then I'm also going to share with you guys the next few giveaways and raffles that we have for the next few weeks. Subscribe now. Follow me on IG. This giveaway is sponsored by Shoe Freak PH. He is a reseller that's focused mainly on selling on Instagram. Now, there are a lot of resellers in the Philippines, and I wanted to partner with Shoe Freak PH for the longest time, and I've been partnered with him for the longest time, primarily because he gets most of his stocks from outside the country. In short, he doesn't send people to line up in local stores when there are hype releases, which prevents a lot of normal people from getting the sneakers that they want. So that's why I like partnering and working with Shoe Freak PH. I find him to be a very straight up guy, somebody easy to talk to, and the service is fantastic. And just to share with you guys some of the stuff that he usually sells, he specializes actually in sneakers that you can't find in the Philippines. So for example, this one is a new Continental 80 with a very roughed up box, not because of Shoe Freak PH, but because of my cats. So this is a colorway of the Continental 80 that you can't find in the Philippines. It's actually some sort of cream, but if you guys take a look, the actual color of the stripe along the side is navy blue and gray. This usually red that you guys saw with the original OG model of the Continental 80. So I just like the look of this one. I love the Continental 80 silhouette, and that's why I ended up copying it from Shoe Freak PH. Again, guys, he specializes in sneakers that you wouldn't normally get in the Philippines, which I love because it allows you to be able to get pairs that you normally wouldn't be able to get here locally. Now let's get to the giveaway. Now I've mostly been giving away like size 11 to 12 sneakers, but I felt and I noticed that it's not for everyone. Not everybody's size 12. So I wanted this particular giveaway to be a little more agnostic or a little more open to anybody and flexible. So Shoe Freak was kind enough to send us 4 special champion caps that look amazing that we will be raffling away for this giveaway. So this is what it looks like. So it's dominantly black. You have the champion logo here, and then the bottom is red. So it looks really cool. It even has like some sort of shoelace that you guys see here. I don't know if you can see it there. So it has that, little element to give it a little more character. And I just love how the champion logo is put or embroidered at the top of the cap. That definitely doesn't look or feel cheap at all. We will be giving away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, there are actually 2 colors. So this is the black one. There's a dark blue one. So we have 2 dark blue champion caps and 2 black champion caps, which we will be raffling away for this particular giveaway. Apart from that, I am also throwing in this. This is something that I unboxed in my previous video. This is the off-white Rastaclat bracelet that I'm sure a lot of you guys are interested in and that you might want to cop. So there you have it. It has that familiar off-white Ziploc tag, that orange, like tag as well. This one is worth like over 1,200 pesos or 1,400 pesos. So we are picking 5 winners, a total of 5 winners for this next giveaway. How to join? Very straightforward, very simple. Number 1, subscribe to the channel. Number 2, like this post, give it a thumbs up. Number 3, make sure that you follow me on Instagram. And number 4, this one I'm just really curious. I want you guys to leave a comment down below of what your favorite sneaker brand is. So it can be Nike, Under Armour, Asics, New Balance, whatever it is. Just leave a comment down below on what your favorite brand is and why. So again, let me repeat that. You have to subscribe to the channel. You have to follow me on IG, you have to like this post, and you need to leave a comment down below of your favorite sneaker brand and explain why. At the end of the week, so next Sunday, I will be drawing the winners for the 5 items that I just mentioned now. After we draw the winner on Sunday, I will also be sharing the latest mechanics for our next giveaway, which will be the outlet shopping trip with one of you guys, sponsored by me. Of course, you'll have to be in the Philippines. Of course, you'll need to be able to get to Metro Manila to be able to do it. So those are things we'll have to work out as we pick the winner and as we release the mechanics. So again, guys, you have to make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so you can be eligible for that one as well. Mechanics to be revealed next Sunday. Speaking of winners, now it's time to draw the winners of our Adidas Continental 80 and Adidas Solar Glide Stability raffle and giveaway. So the mechanics are very straightforward. I asked you guys to leave a comment and we'll just do a random draw. Here are the winners. Number 1 will go to the Solar Glide. Number 2 will go to the Adidas Continental 80. Go! Congratulations to the winners. Please contact me on Instagram. There is a message function there so that we guys can talk and discuss how I can get you your prizes for this giveaway. So that's actually it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys support this channel by subscribing. And if ever you are in the market for sneakers not available in the Philippines, please do check out Shoe Freak PH. I'll leave a link down below to his Instagram handle so you guys can check out what he has to offer. That's it for now. Peace. God bless.